Listen, grab a cup of coffee. We need to have a serious talk about your Etsy shop. I know every Etsy guru tells you to start selling stickers or t-shirts. Believe me, I've been there. I get it. It feels safe. But let's look at the math for a second. To make $100 in profit, you're going to need to sell 50, 60 stickers. That's 60 customers that you have to keep happy. 60 potential emails you have to respond to. 60 potential shipping headaches. Or you can sell one piece of premium wall art. If you saw my previous video, Etsy print on demand, top 10 print on demand products that actually sell in 2026, no shirts, then you know I'm all about these high margin items. Today, I'm going to show you how to use AI to actually create designs. We're going to use Google, Nano Banana, and we're going to use Kittl. And we're going to create high quality art that people actually pay a premium for. We're going to design it, we're going to refine it, and then I'll show you how to set it up on Etsy the right way. No jargon, no fluff, just a straight up guide on getting it done the right way. Now let's get to work. We aren't just making cool pictures, we're making home decor. Think about what people actually want to hang on their walls. Right now, a style called Moody Botanical is huge. It's classy, it's timeless, and AI is great at making it. Watch how I prompt this in Nano Banana. I'm not just saying flower, I'm telling it vintage botanical illustration, lush peony, dark forest green background, and an oil painting texture. Okay, to get started, let's go to Nano Banana. To do that, you want to go to Google, search Google AI Studio, scroll down until you see Google AI Studio. Once you're here, you'll hit image generation. If you're on the free plan, just select this here. If you have the paid version, you could select either of these two. These are just going to generate faster and what they say is more detailed generations, but I find the free Nano Banana to be fine. So we go here, paste the prompt and hit run. And we wait as Nano Banana is running its magic. And within 7 seconds, you get a great generation. So let's click this arrow here and download. And let's go to the next step. See that? That's the difference between something that looks like a computer made it and something that belongs in a high-end living room. Now, once we have our image, I like to bring it over to Kittl. This is where we give it that quote-unquote finish. I might add a subtle border or a small piece of text either above or below the image. Maybe just the name of the plant in a nice serif font. It's these little details that allow you to charge premium prices. Here's a dad tip for you. Measure twice, cut once. When you're selling large wall art, stuff like 24 by 36, your image needs to be crisp. Don't just download the first image that the AI generates. You're going to have to upscale it. If it's blurry, your customer is going to be unhappy with it. And we don't want that. Remember, take the extra 30 seconds to do it right. All right, now that we made our design, now let's get it listed. Today, we're going to be passing over the basic posters. We're going straight for the metal or acrylic designs on Printify. Why? Because they feel expensive. They have weight, they have a shine. And because of that, when you set your price, don't be afraid. If you're offering a premium product, price it like one. If you underprice yourself, people are going to think the quality is lower. And look at this mock-up. Don't just show it floating on a white wall. Show it in a room with nice lighting. Help your customer imagine what that wall art will look like in their home. Look, I know the technical stuff can feel like a lot at first, but believe me, you've got this. You don't need to be a master artist. You just need to be willing to learn and put in a little work. It might not be perfect the first time, and that's okay. My first shop was a mess too. The important thing to remember is you're just starting. If you get stuck on any of the Etsy prompts, leave a comment below. I'm here to help. I read all my comments and I reply within 24 hours. And I'm proud of you for taking this step. Now go build something great. And remember, if you found any value at all in this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below. It helps build our channel. We're hoping to build a community of like-minded individuals such as yourself. Hopefully I'll see you in the next one.